to make a birthday card for a friend of mine. And I love to collage. I like using fun different paper to make stuff. So I made this cute little birthday cake. And I thought it was really darling. But it wasn't quite enough. I thought to myself, how else could I make this card super awesome? And then I had it. I would make it a pop-up card. To make your pop-up card really great, you're going to need a ruler, a pencil, and some scissors. I'm lining up the corners, putting my finger down the middle, sliding it to the right and left, and that's how I'm making a really well-folded card. I need to make sure the fold is towards me. That's going to be key to making a pop-up card. Once I've got that fold towards me, I'm going to make a straight line using my ruler. Those ruler marks are going to help me know how deep I should cut. So I'm cutting right up to where I made those ruler marks. Then I'm going to fold those cuts on both sides. I'm turning the paper and I'm folding it on both sides. Then, opening up the paper, I'm going to push where I cut through to the other side of the paper. I'm going to push that cut forward. That's what's going to make it pop up. Then I'm going to press it down so those folds are nice and crisp. Where that bump out is, that's where I can glue my birthday cake or anything you want to put in your card. I'm also making sure it doesn't pop out the top of my card, and it looks pretty great. So I'm going to glue it on and finish up my card. I decided I wanted to collage some letters also, so that's what you're seeing me doing. I'm making some more letters out of paper and gluing those down too. Using those same techniques, I can make some really interesting three-dimensional sculptures. Wherever there's a fold, I can make a pop-out. And when I fold, I use a ruler to mark lines so that my folds are the same depth. Remember to fold on those lines back and forth. That will help when you push the paper forward. It'll be easier to do it. Then I'm folding it back and forth. There's another big pop-up, but remember, wherever there's a fold, I can make a pop-up. If I know that I'm going to be cutting the same depth, I can try eyeballing it without using a ruler. But I'm still folding it back and forth, and in this case, I'm pushing it back in. Wherever there's a fold, I can make a pop-up or a pop-out. I can't wait to see what you all come up with.